HubSpot versus ClickUp, project management with CRM add-ons. Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare HubSpot and ClickUp, two popular platforms that serve different purposes but overlap in project management and CRM capabilities. If you're looking for a solution to manage projects while maintaining a strong focus on customer relationships, this breakdown will help you decide which tool fits your needs best. HubSpot is primarily a CRM and marketing automation platform with features designed to optimize sales, customer management, and marketing workflows. It offers task management tools, deal tracking, and pipeline automation that integrate seamlessly into its CRM, making it an excellent choice for sales-focused teams that also need basic project management. HubSpot's workflows enable users to automate repetitive tasks, track progress, and manage team activities in one centralized location. Additionally, its collaboration tools, such as shared inboxes and team assignments, streamline internal communication. While its project management capabilities are not as comprehensive as ClickUp's, HubSpot excels when CRM and customer-centric workflows are the priority. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a project management powerhouse with CRM add-ons for teams that require extensive organizational and task management features. Known for its flexibility, ClickUp allows users to customize workflows, track tasks, set goals, and manage timelines using features like Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and time tracking. While it offers CRM-like features such as task-linked customer profiles and custom fields, it's more suitable for teams that prioritize operational efficiency and need robust project management above all else. ClickUp's integration with third-party CRMs, including HubSpot, makes it a complementary tool for businesses that want the best of both worlds. In conclusion, HubSpot is ideal for businesses that need CRM-first functionality with integrated project management for sales and marketing teams. ClickUp, by contrast, is perfect for organizations prioritizing detailed project tracking and team collaboration, with CRM features as an optional add-on. Choose HubSpot if you want to focus on customer engagement and sales growth, and opt for ClickUp if you're managing complex projects and need deep task management. Links in the description provide more details on both platforms. Check them out.